Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hardcore Fab channel. Today's extra video for you guys. I thought I would show you this little deal we're putting together here to be able to work on this Chevy pickup cab. Could be universal for kind of any cab or whatever, but what we're doing is we're trying to make something that allow us to be able to roll it around the shop, and we'll actually still be able to like tip it back onto its back and then be able to work on the floor itself too, and go ahead and like blast it and fix the panels that need fixed and paint it and all that kind of stuff. So what we've done so far is we went out to the salvage yard, we scrounged up a little bit of metal. Connor's bolting a couple pieces up here right now, so I'll show you what we got going on there. He's just got a piece of square tubing, and the square tubing came off of like some old, I don't know, some thing here that was welded all together with that and some old farm equipment of some sort. Had some plow shanks or something on it. So anyways, yeah, I got those cut down to like 5-foot pieces. What size of tubing is that, Connor? Do you remember? 2.5. So 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch square tubing is what it is. And then this first part up here, we just got a couple holes drilled in, or Connor's drilled a couple holes in it, and is using the cab bolts that come with the cab to be able to bolt the square tubing up to the bottom of the floor. And then on the back side, we've got a little step in here that, you know, so right here is the cab bolts there. So we're gonna have to build something to go up and over here and back down. We want this thing to roll good around the shop, and you know, our 100-year-old floor here is kind of garbage. So what we've got to be able to roll around the shop so far is I got this old trailer axle out of like an old boat trailer. Again, it was what was laying out at the salvage yard when we went out there to try to find some stuff. So we got that. We're going to weld that here on the ends of this, and then we'll have to put some stuff together to be able to catch the rest of the cab, and something else here to go up and catch it when we lay it on its back. So that's kind of our plan today. I guess stick around. We'll see how well it works out and see if we're actually able to flip this thing up here in just a little bit. So to catch you up on the little part there we just finished up, we built the little bridge to go from our base square tubing pieces there to go up and catch the back two cab mount bolts. I kind of lost the footage that I had of us talking about that, but I think you guys get the gist of it. It's pretty self-explanatory. So to carry on, we need some more material, and Connor got busy chopping out the pieces that we need out of what's left of our stuff that we drug in from the salvage yard.
Well, I'm gonna say this thing works. We've had this thing up here on its back now for actually a couple of days. And just when we get a little bit of free time here and there, we're whacking on it, getting some of this stuff ripped out of here and ready for when the patch panels show up here in a few days. And we'll be able to put this thing back together. But overall, pretty happy with our little cart since it only took, you know, a few hours to put together. And we did buy some wheels from Harbor Freight. Those are kind of and they didn't have any of the swiveled up here on this end that were the right size. So I had to go with some straight ones, so that kind of sucks for when it's back down. Makes it a little bit harder to turn and everything, of course. But it is what it is. But overall, I think it's way, 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 way better than even if we had it on the lift and we were trying to cut this stuff out above our head and trying to work above our head and having everything rain down on us, because that really sucks when you're doing that. So I'm glad we took a little bit of time to put this thing together, and I think it'll be helpful for some other projects we got coming up in the future too. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, following along, and I'll see you guys on the next video.